How to make money on Reddit. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make money on Reddit. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Basically, Reddit is a social media platform where users can share links, posts, and images on various topics from news, politics, your hobbies, entertainment, and the likes. So the content is organized into subreddits, which are communities dedicated to specific interests, and users can upvote or downvote posts and comments and engage in discussions through the comment section. Now, the very first step on how to make use of Reddit and monetize it is to simply screenshot a specific Reddit story or topic that you would like to add onto your video in a while. I'm gonna tell you what video platforms you're gonna make use of in order for you to monetize the Reddit screenshot that you've got. So here I just use my snipping tool and I'm gonna simply screenshot this. So right now I'm gonna introduce you to the first platform where you can actually monetize these Reddit screenshots. So the first platform is actually TikTok. So if you actually search on a Reddit story, you will actually see different kinds of gaming contents, but the twist is that there are actually Reddit stories in the gaming contents. Basically, most of the Reddit stories are within a gaming video. So to make our own, click the plus button here below in your TikTok, and then to make it like very common to all, just choose a video that wherein you're playing a specific game and then paste the Reddit picture that you've screenshotted from a while ago. And then after that, click on the next button right here on TikTok afterwards. Now in your post, you can actually add your description, everything right there. And let me show you the eligibility for TikTok right here. So for TikTok Creator Fund, here is the answer to your questions. So beginning March 25, 2021, creators will need at least 100K followers before you will be eligible to join the Creator Fund. So this one, you need to have authentic video views, not those of like trolls or whatnot. And then now let's scroll down and let's try to see how your funds are calculated, or like is there a maximum or minimum earning per creator basically. So the funds that each creator can earn are worked out by a combination of factors, including the number of views and the authenticity of those views. So the level of engagement on the content, as well as making sure content is in line with the community guidelines and services as well. So the question is there a maximum or a minimum earning per creator, or is there a limit to the size of the creator fund? So basically, the sky is the limit. There isn't a fixed amount of money that will allocate to creators, and they don't actually put a cap on the amount of funds released daily. So they have already committed £231 million over the next 3 years for the creator fund. So here for the eligibility section, let's try to check it out who's eligible. So creators who meet the following criteria are eligible to apply for the Creator Fund. So those basing on US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy. You need to be at least 18 years old. You should also have 10,000 followers and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. And also, the video should be in line with the community guideline and terms of services on TikTok. The second platform that I'm going to introduce to you guys is the YouTube. So YouTube is actually a very well-known platform. I think you already do know that. And if you try to look through Reddit Reels, we don't actually call it Reels on YouTube, but rather we call it Shorts instead. So right here you can actually see Reddit videos on there. So now let me educate you guys on how you can monetize your YouTube short videos. So first thing is that you can actually earn advertising revenue from your YouTube Shorts. Last year, YouTube has made a big announcement that will surely put a smile on the faces of content creators. However, as of February 2023, the YouTube Short Fund is officially gone. However, you can start monetizing your shorts through YouTube Partner Program and earning money from video advertisements. So here are the monetization rules for YouTube Shorts. So what does all of this mean? Overall, it means that when you're in YouTube Partner Program, you can actually start making money from shorts. So you just need to gain 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public views in the last 90 days. Okay, so here for the eligibility, 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months and 10 million valid public short views in the last 90 days. So once you're in the program, only eligible short will earn advertising revenue. So you just need to follow the YouTube's advertiser-friendly content guidelines. You're actually free to add your video contents. However, just make sure that these are actually original contents from you guys and not something that was made from before. Okay, so how much will you earn if you are in this program? So here for the content performance, as you can see, $16.61. That's for 468.5K view, and that's for 0.04 cents. Okay, to add or to make a video or short on YouTube, you just need to open your YouTube application here in your mobile device. And then afterwards, you just need to simply create a short video by clicking the plus icon in below the YouTube application. And basically, that's about it. I hope that this has enlightened you on how you can actually make money using Reddit contents. And in that way, you would be able to share your contents, your short videos, and the creativity to the world. So if you're just still starting video creation or video content, please do consider watching this video, and I hope that you were able to learn in today's tutorial. And that's about it. So we have tackled on TikTok and YouTube as well. So these are platforms where you can monetize your Reddit contents. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.